Okay, children, today we will learn formation of numbers from 6 to 10. In the previous video, we had learned the numbers from 1 to 5. आज हम नंबर सीखेंगे from 6 to 10. नंबर कैसे लिखते हैं? All are ready? First, we will write number 6. To make number 6, you have to make a curve first. Like this. Then, join the curve with a small circle. Very simple. First, you have to make curve. Then, join with the small circle. This is number 6. Now, number 7. To make number 7, you have to use first sleeping line and slanting line. Sleeping line and slanting line. This is number 7. Now, number 8. To make number 8, you have to draw first S curve. Like this. This is a S curve. Now you have to reverse the S curve and go up like this. S curve, then reverse the curve and go up. This is number 8. Now number 9. First, you have to draw a small circle like this. Then standing line. Small circle with the standing line to make number 9. Now number 10. Very easy. Standing line and a small circle. Standing line and a small circle. This is number 10. ओके चिल्ड्रन, अगर आप नंबर 8 नहीं बना पा रहे हैं इस तरीके से तो आप इस तरीके से भी बना सकते हैं. फर्स्ट you have to make circle, then one more circle. This is number 8. Okay children, now Arav will repeat the number. Arav, you have to trace the dot to make number 6. Okay, first curve. Yes, curve. Join the curve with the small circle. Yes. Join the curve with the small circle. Good. This is number 6. Now number 7. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Slanting line. Very good. Repeat it again. Sleeping line. Slanting line. This is number 7. Very good. To make number 8, you have to draw first S curve. Arav, trace the dot to make S curve. Yes, slowly, slowly. Good. Good. This is a S curve. Now you have to reverse the curve and go up. Draw it, Arav. Reverse the curve. Very good. Go up and join the curve. Yes. Now number 9. To make number 9, you have to draw a small circle with standing line. Trace the dots, Arav. First make a circle. Good. Very good. Standing line. Once more, repeat it. Very good. This is number 9. To make number 10, Arav, you have to draw first standing line. Draw standing line, Arav. Once more, repeat it. Standing line. Good. Now make a small circle. Standing line and circle. तो डियर पेरेंट्स, आप भी इसी तरीके से बच्चों को घर पर पहले बोर्ड पर फिर नोटबुक की प्रैक्टिस करा सकते हैं. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Keep watching.
Bye.